Good morning everyone! So today pupunta tayo for a very good Klook tour. Nakuha lang natin to kagabi yung tour package. So let's see how efficient it will be kasi maulan ngayong araw. So we have payong. So you make sure that you ask payong from your hotel and make sure that you're properly geared kasi hindi natin alam kung mababasa ba tayo or hindi today. So bring extras in your backpack and bring a little bit of baon. Kasi I think 1 hour yung biyahe papunta sa first destination. So this time, we're just heading sa meet-up location and we'll see how it goes. This is the tunnel where we're walking to and so far okay siya at nasusundan naman ng maayos yung mga directions. So it is currently 10:40 AM and nandito na tayo sa may East 3 ng Taipei Main Station at 17 degrees Celsius dito. Medyo chilly siya. Forecasted rain the whole day almost. Kaya if you're coming in for a tour, always make sure that you're wearing not only your hoodie but also bring umbrella. We got this from the hotel. You can just borrow it. So it's for free. Kung wala kayong dala, that's okay. Now it's 18 degrees. Nag-change yung weather. So don't trust the weather. That's all I can say. Just gear and pack yourself a better outfit and that way hindi kayo magkasakit. And here I am. Nakaupo lang kami sa gilid. Medyo maaga pa kasi 11 o'clock pa naman yung meeting time with the tour guide and maybe the bus. So mas maganda ng maaga at least hindi kayo nasa-stress. Medyo nawala din kami kanina sa baba. Actually sa loob ng station, medyo malaki siya. So ang daming exits, ang daming choices ng yun nga, yung pupuntahan. Pero yung sa direction, always ask the information guide or yung mga tao doon na nakatayo under the information center para i-lead nila kayo sa tamang way. Okay? Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa Taipei Main Station and nakita na natin yung tour guide natin. So dun sa Klook na tour package na kinuha namin, meron bibigyan na ganito. So you make sure that you get this. Agahan nyo kasi syempre they're always on time. Actually, maaga pa nga siya, half an hour before na siya nakatayo. So get this, get yourself registered. Tapos, bibigyan niya kayo ng chance to go around. As you guys can see, there's a lot of food around us. And balik kayo umikot dito sa buong station. Tapos, marami kayong options to get baon. And for us, ako, kinuha ko is ito. Para hindi tayo masyadong magdudum sa loob ng bus, okay? So, maraming options dito like food na savory, merong sweets, meron yung snacks, tapos meron din yung mga bento type. Depende kung ano yung tour ninyo, go for it. Pero always make sure that you're here on time.
有一层一层的痕迹，那基本上就是2个板块呢碰撞出来，所以才会有这个痕迹在上面。If you want to take picture of this kind of mark inside of the Yellow drill part, you also can see it, so you can take.
So we made it here in Yellow, and this is 120 New Taiwan dollar entrance. Yellow Park today, and as you guys can see, ang ganda ng weather. Ang dami ring tourists, so binigyan lang tayo ng isang oras to roam around this area. So what you can do is come and enjoy the moment, seize the moments, and then take a few pictures, and then just enjoy guys. Tignan nyo naman. Talagang marami kang pwedeng puntahan. I'm so amazed on this part here. Para siyang tinapay. Parang sarap kainin. Pero anyways, pupunta tayo doon sa side nila. Sa kabilang side naman. Okay? quality nung yung quality nung dinadaanan. Mukha lang siyang madulas. Tapos may mga water pa siya. Pero hindi naman siya ganun kadulas right now kasi looks like hindi naman umulan sa area to. Pero yan, always comply sa sinasabing no crossing. Tapos ngayon may mga guard na sila. Sa mga napapanood kong videos wala namang guard. Pero this one may guard na. Siguro marami pasaway. This red line guys, huwag nyo lalagpasan. Kahit saan kayo makakita ng red line, huwag nyo i-cross kasi you're not only risking yourself, you're also risking other people kung nadulas man kayo, and syempre sa-save nila kayo. Just enjoy and be a very good and responsible traveler. Wow, this is an actual moving bridge, guys. Holy crap! It is actually moving. Hey guys, and welcome to Shifen Waterfall. So, bali ito yung view natin, oh. Meron lang tayong 50 minutes dito sa area to. So, just enjoy the view. Ang ganda niya, guys. Tapos may kainan pa along the way. So, let's go and try those food. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Shifen Waterfalls and meron silang masasarap ng mga barbecue dito sa likod. So, ang daming pila guys. And since maikli lang yung time natin dito, here is their famous sausage. Try natin. Nandito tayo sa Shifen Old Street ngayon kung saan gumagawa or nagpapalipad sila ng mga lanterns. Ito yung very famous na train tracks. Kanina may dumaan na train, papakita ko sa inyo yung itsura. Pero ayan o, upusan actually yung mga lanterns dito. Kaya kung gusto nyo, sa tour nyo pa lang, ahead of time, mag-book na kayo sa Klook or just go and tell your tour guides para meron silang parang papel na ipapasa and for you to fill it up. Tapos iayos nila yon with them. So, ito yung style. Ganito yung gagawin. So, merong guide, ayan, yung lalaki dito mag-a-assist. Tapos papalipa rin nila yan. Ito yung famous na peanut ice cream. Sarap siya. So we made it here sa Shifen Old Street and sobra guys, we have option from the bottom to climb about 300 steps sa stairs. Take the cab worth 200 Taiwan dollars or mag-take ng public transit. So, trinay namin for experience purposes is to take the stairs. Pero grabe guys, ang daming tao. So, prepare to stop a lot of times. Anyways, we're walking sa streets ng Shifen and ang daming tourists. So, busy ngayon. Last few steps para maklimb yung 300. And to end the road trip guys, andito na tayo sa Shifen, which is yung pinaka-famous na pinupuntahan nila dahil yata sa movie. Ang ganda niya guys. So, kung gusto nyo ng better view dito sa may yung katapat niya na tea house, pwede kayo mag-order ng tea. Sarap dito yung mga tea nila. And at the same time, kung gabi kayo dito magti-tea, ayan, ang ganda ng view. Talagang core memory siya. So, enjoy it while you're here. At saka, yun, nakaka-snack pa kayo. Okay? And ito yung Klook tour natin. Whole day siya, guys. Kaya,
kung pupunta kayo dito sa Taiwan, make sure na yung full day nyo, i-allot nyo dito sa araw na to. Medyo nakakapagod. Wear comfy clothes, wear comfy shoes. Kasi, like what I said, 300 steps yung inakit namin papunta dito. Or you can take the cab, or you can take yung public transit nila. Pero for a fee, of course. So, since hindi naman magiging experience yung kung i-miss out mo yung stairs, talagang tinake namin yung stairs, pero sobrang nakakapagod. Anyways, enjoy the view and enjoy your tsaa. Cheers! See you on the next vlog.